up, everybody? I'm at the gym. Gonna hit some back. Serena's at work. It's about 1 o'clock, I guess. I don't always feel like doing this, but I know that I need to. There's a lot of things in life that can just come in and distract you, pull you this way or that way. It's, you know, you just gotta stick with it. You gotta keep focused on your goals, even if you slip up or fall down or lose focus for a while. You gotta keep coming back. You gotta keep pushing. You know, hang on to that stuff that really matters to you. Anyway, a typical back workout. I started out with my horizontal movements, did some barbell rows, dumbbell rows, T-bar rows, into push-ups, not push-ups, pull-ups. Here we go. Set number 9. Cardio. Here we go. Haven't been doing a lot of cardio up until 2 weeks ago. Since then it's been about 4 or 5 days a week. Still trying to get a little leaner. I go for about 300 calories, just a fast walk on an incline. It's good enough for me. Sometimes I run, feeling groggy. Not today. I gotta be honest. I've been talking about how things can be distracting. Just get into your life, take you in a different direction. I'm not gonna go into details of things because it's, you know, it's personal and involves other people, but here lately, the last few weeks, now I haven't been missing the gym, nothing like that. I've been making it to the gym, trying to post, not real consistently. So, you know, I haven't fallen off the wagon, completely lost my dreams, but I've just been letting a few little things kind of from my past, otherwise come in and start to distract me. And you know, I can feel it. You get in the gym and you haven't been given your attention, your drive, your heart to that thing that, you know, for me it's something. You know, number one is my faith that changed my life, but what did that was his fitness. You know, that's what God used, and it's something that has really made me into the person that I am. So when I start losing track of that, or stop honoring that, it'll sneak right up on you. You'll notice. I'm even just trying to lift the weights you normally lift and everything. It just, you can lose your way. And I just want to put this out there is I am not going to lose my dream. I'm not going to lose track. I feel like I owe it to myself. I owe it to my family. I owe it to you people out there, however few you are, that follow what I'm doing and care about it and are inspired, like to see this. I'm not going to lose my dream. I'm going to put in the work and I'm going to go as far as I possibly can. That's my promise to myself and to you. Back from the gym. It was a good one. Did my cardio too, well you saw that. Got the day off now, so I think I'm going to make some coffee because kitchen's a mess, so, you know, don't mind it. But Serena, I called her Serena, she's not going to like that. Serena got an espresso machine, and I've sort of figured out how to work it. Good enough that I can get some coffee in me anyway. So, gonna make some coffee, edit this video probably, I don't know, we'll see what happens. Alright, before this goes any farther, I said I kind of knew what I was doing. I said I knew what I was doing, kind of knew what I was doing. Get back a little so you can see what's going on. So, what do you call a male barista? I don't know what the answer is. That's for you guys. I have no idea. But I just think, like, if I worked in a coffee shop, I might be a little pissed if they were calling me a barista. But I've never heard anybody called a baristo. So I don't know. You guys help me sort that out. Still got some water in there. I think I got enough water. I don't know. Let's add some more. I did not drink coffee until maybe a month ago. My girl started working at Starbucks, and she peer pressured me into it. And the rest is history. I try not to overdo it, but you know, honestly, in the morning, nice 4-shot Americano can really help get your wheels spinning. I don't know. Yeah! Alright. There we go. There we go. Eureka! We hit pay dirt. Spilling it up now. See, but whatever's coming out doesn't look very coffee-ish. So am I supposed to like fill up little shots, put them in there, and then add water? I don't know. Right. Anyhow, you can see I'm getting it done. Check it out. You're going to really think I'm crazy in a minute here. Check this out. Alright, so I got my coffee all done up here. I can just dump it in this cup. Whilst making a mess. It's important that you make a mess. I don't know why. That's just what you have to do. Wipe up said mess. This does not affect the flavor of the drink, but it does make your girlfriend happy when she comes home. So, I've got my espresso, Americano, coffee, whatever thing that I made right there. Then, 1 scoop of peanut butter fluff, MTS Way. Here we go. Who needs creamer, right? Bam! Mix it all up. Try not to spill it all over, but you know what? This isn't Martha Stewart. Alright.
still really hot. So, let's see. Because I don't want to wait, and I'm impatient, I will log all of this. So don't think I'm messing up my macros here. I got coffee, which doesn't really count for anything, 1 scoop of protein, and I don't know, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, which is really low calorie anyway. This stuff's like 50 calories per cup, so good stuff. Stir it up a little bit more. I don't even know if you guys can see me. I'm sorry. Starbucks, you can kiss my butt. I don't need you. Right. My meal is done. Let's check it out. Got this weird, I didn't mean to buy them, but it's this gluten-free, wheat-free wrap, but the macros on it are really good. About 7 ounces of ground beef, a cup of rice, about a cup of broccoli. That's it. Catch you later. Alright, that's the video. Takeaway, just, you know, life happens. Things set you back. You don't always make the decisions you wish you had made. Don't let it get you down. Brush it off. Keep going. Stay focused on what you want, where you're trying to get to, and you will get there.